Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ginger tea at home. How to make ginger tea at home. Get 2 to 3 fingers of ginger, peel off the bark and wash very well. I'm going to use this quantity for my ginger tea. Then cut these fingers into tiny pieces. After cutting it into tiny pieces, bring your pot, a clean pot, add 2 cups of water inside this pot and bring it to a boil. When the water has boiled, just as you've seen, add the cut or previously sliced ginger into the boiling water. Then the next thing you will do is to cover the pot back. Then you put off the heat, turn off the heat, leaving it for about 10 minutes to steep. After 10 minutes, what you have to do again is to open up the pot, then remove the ginger from the ginger water. Then add the ginger water into a mug cup. You can use any mug cup of your choice. Alright, don't use a glass cup or a plastic cup because the water is very hot. Add it into a mug cup. Then add half tablespoon of raw honey. Please make use of raw honey. Add half tablespoon of raw honey into the ginger water and stir very well to mix it very well. Stir it very well. Alright, then your ginger tea is ready. Okay, do this period so as to boost your immune system. Alright, this is very simple to do. Alright there, please remember to practice social distancing. Wash your hands regularly with soap for about 20 seconds. Also avoid touching your eyes, nose and your mouth. Remain blessed and see you in my next video.